In this problem, we have to determine the number of arrangements of the letter of the words algorithm. And the first condition that is given as vowels are always together. What we can observe from algorithm, that is there are total number of 9 words, out of which 3 are vowel and 6 are consonants. Now, whenever we have to take vowels are always together, we have to make a group of these 3 letters. So total number of letters that you will get, that is equal to 7. So we have to take this 7 letters and we have to permutate this 7 letters. So there are 7 options, which means we will write it as equal to 7 factorial. But there's one more thing that you have to do. Since vowels are always together, which means that they will permutate inside of that. So if I'm writing like this, L G R T H M, so your first word will be, if I'm taking vowels are always together, that is A O I, and the second word that you can write it as I O A, and the third word that you can write O I A. So there are 3 options that we are creating. Similarly, we are having so many options, which means these 3 words are always permutating inside that box. So we will write it as equal to 3 factorial. And that's it. That's the answer that you will. Let's move on to the second question, that is given as no 2 vowels are together, which means that we have to place all the consonant on the words that we are having. So we are placing G, then we are placing R, then we are placing T, H, M, and at last we are placing value that is given as L. I want all the vowels that are not together, which means we have to place it either on this place, this place, this place, this place, this place, this place, and this place. So there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 options. In that 7 options, we have to place these vowels. What we will write? We will write the first place, that is given as 7. Okay, if I am choosing the second place, I will write the 6 option that we are having, and then we are placing this one as 5. Now, what we have to do? We have to arrange all these consonants also. So if we are arranging all these consonants, we will write as 6 factorial. So that's the answer that you will get. 7 6 are 42, 42 into 5, and then 6 factorial can be written as 120 into 6, and you will get the value as 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1 210, and here you will get to 120 multiply with 6, that is equal to 720, and 720 multiply with 210, you will get your answer. Consonants are at even position, which means that there are how many positions that we have? So total there are 9 letters. In that 9 letters, we have to place these consonants. So we are having second place, we are having 4th place, we are having 6th place, and we are having 8th place. Like out of these 9 places, we have to choose only 4 places in which we have to place these consonants. So we are having 6 consonant and we have to place it at 4th position. So you will write the first option. For the first option we are having 6, and for the second one we are having 5, for the third one we are having 4, and the last one we are having 3. Now we have to arrange all the letters that is given at this place, which means that we have to multiply it with 5, multiply with 4, multiply with 3, multiply with 2, multiply with 1, and that's it. That's the answer that you will get. Next question, O is the first and T is the last letter, which means that at the first position we will place O, and at the last position we will place T. So in between that we are having total 7 options. So in this 7 option we have to arrange this one, so we will write as equal to 7 factorial, and that's the answer of your question.